Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Chibo Single Serve Coffee Maker. Introducing the Chibo Fully Automatic Coffee Maker, a sublime fusion of technology and tradition so that you can enjoy fresh European coffee at the press of a button. This machine is a testament to Chibo's unparalleled innovation in the world of coffee brewing. The built-in, stainless steel, electric grinder ensures your beans, be it light, medium, or dark roast, are ground to perfection. Just press play to grind whole beans to perfection and enjoy a high-quality espresso or Americano without the need for pods. Features automatic descaling and a front attached drip tray that secures magnetically, offering swift removal. Experience the power of high-quality engineering even when cleaning up. Built-in, low-noise electric grinder with adjustable settings, ensuring every brew, light to dark roast, delivers a coffee that will take your senses on a journey. Effortlessly master the art of brewing with the intuitive LED touch panel and an adjustable dispenser so that you can easily use different cup sizes. Fits seamlessly into any home or office. Plus, get 2 Milano, Barista, or Sicilia Espresso, depending on availability, dimensions, W7XH 12.4 XL 15.6. Compatible with DW 20 volts max batteries. Just plug in your own batteries on our coffee brewer, and start to enjoy your leisure time. 2-in-1 brewing function. Our portable coffee brewer has a K-pod holder and reusable ground coffee holder. You can use the K-cup pods or your favorite ground coffee to easily brew a cup of refreshing and delicious coffee during the outdoor working. Our second best coffee maker for RV is Famworth's Iced Coffee Maker. Built with deep coffee extraction technology, this iced coffee maker brews over ice and delivers the perfect cup of fresh, flavorful iced coffee. Simply press the regular button to enjoy your delicious hot coffee in just 4 minutes. Both hot and iced coffee can be made using a pod or with your favorite ground coffee in this single-serve coffee maker. Only 6 ounces of water is used for best flavor if using pods to make iced coffee. This single-cup coffee maker is compact and slim. It does not take up much space on the counter, while it fits a 6.7-inch tall travel mug. You can take your coffee out of the house with the travel mug to enjoy delicious coffee everywhere and anytime. No need to be on the lookout when it's time to clean your iced coffee maker. The built-in descaling reminder will notify you by displaying an alternate red light on the 2 brew buttons. When that time comes, just add some descaling solution and press the 2 buttons for 2 seconds at the same time and this coffee brewer will start cleaning itself. This 1-cup coffee maker is made from BPA-free materials and does not have a large water tank, which means that each brew uses the full amount of water that is put in. Third choice in our list is Keurig K Mini Single Serve Coffee Maker. The Keurig Mini is one of Keurig's most affordable options. It's a streamlined model that's easy to use and great at brewing simple cups of coffee. The Keurig Mini is a sleek, compact machine that will fit on even the most crowded kitchen counters. It's available in 4 colors, including pink and green, and operates using a single silver button on the top. The bottom line is that the Keurig Mini is very simple. This is mostly a good thing, especially if you need coffee to function in the morning. There are only 2 buttons, a power button and a brew button, plus a curved light that blinks to tell you the machine is ready to brew. The Keurig Mini is compatible with all regularly sized K-cup pods. It doesn't work with K-carafe, K-mug, View, or Revo pods. The good news is that this model isn't a Keurig 2.0, so you won't have to worry about it failing to read your K-cups. Choosing your favorite coffee brands and flavors from a wide selection of K-cup pods and ground. Our coffee brewer is designed to brew a fresh cup of coffee in just 4 minutes, allowing you to savor the taste without any delay. Simple 1-button operation. Put on K-cup pod or coffee grounds, add fresh water to the reservoir, press the start button, wait for just 4 minutes, and you'll get a cup of fresh coffee. Once finished brewing, it will automatically stop. Number 4 on our side is L'OR Barista Espresso Machine. Brew both coffee capsules and espresso capsules with the easy-to-use L'OR Barista 1-cup coffee maker. Unlock bold flavor, rich aroma, and velvety crema that standard drip coffee machines can't match. Select any L'OR high-quality coffee and espresso to fit your mood or time of day. Made in France in sustainable aluminum, range of delicious flavors and blends, light to dark roast, high to low intensity, decaf options. L'OR Barista single-serve brewer pours 6 sizes of coffee and espresso to help make your favorite hot or iced coffee, latte, cappuccino, iced coffee and more, for a French cafe experience right at home from sustainable sources. Philips manufactured pod coffee maker automatically detects selected capsules, coffee or espresso, and adjusts brew volume accordingly. Fast, heats in 25 seconds, refill less with 40 ounces water tank, 2-year limited warranty. The L'OR Barista system is compatible with L'OR single-serve coffee and espresso capsules, also compatible with Nespresso original coffee machine capsules. The single-serve coffee maker makes it compatible with ground coffee and K-cup pods. You can choose your favorite coffee style and brew your exclusive style of coffee. This coffee brewer suits for K-cup coffee and ground coffee in one. Last in our top 5 best coffee maker for RV list is Mixpresso K-cup coffee maker. Mixpresso coffee maker has the ability to create the finest grade brewed single-serve coffee or espresso cups at the touch of a single button with a removable 45 ounces water tank. This single-serve coffee maker is capable of brewing a cup of rich, smooth, and fresh single-cup coffee, tea, or hot water with a reusable filter attached with it. Most of the popular single-cup pod formats are all handled by this coffee maker machine. They are also compatible with Mixpresso's single-serve cups. You can use the 6 ounces brew size single cups to achieve the strongest brew. It is easy to carry along, which makes it convenient for any occasion. 1200 watts heating element that brews your favorite flavors of single cup pods or ground coffee fast with preheating time as short as 30 seconds. It has an auto off function that turns off automatically if it is not used for more than 2 hours, saving a large amount of electrical energy with a simple one-touch function. This coffee maker saves your time and money and delivers you a delicious cup of coffee anytime and anywhere. The single-serve brewers are easy to use. Fill water in the reservoir of the coffee machine, add a cup or pour grounds in the mesh filter, then press the side button and wait for about 2 minutes to enjoy your coffee. As well as cleaning easily with that. No need to worry if you forget to shut off the coffee maker, the machine will turn off automatically. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.